Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can disable startup programs in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This works for Windows 11 as well. So now why would you do this? Maybe you're like me, you install a lot of programs every day and your PC is slowing down because every time you boot your PC, now they start up with the programs that you have. So today I'm going to show you how you can disable them and make your PC like it was before, like it was faster. So let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is to go to start, and here we're gonna type start up, and this is the first one, startup apps. Best match should be this one, popping up this one, and click on this one, and here you will see a bunch of apps that you have installed, and here you will see the impact of the apps. As you can see, I don't have a lot of apps here because this is a new installation of Windows, so I don't have really that much apps here. So from here you can just switch them on and off. As you can see, now it's on, and it will, when I restart my PC, it will start with the Windows. So make sure you disable the ones that you don't need. So as you can see, I disabled everything here. And if you don't see some apps here, then you can right click here on start and go to test manager. After the test manager popped up, just go to here to start up, and here you will see your apps again. Just this I'm just showing if you don't see all the apps there. So here you should be seeing all your apps. Again, you can just click here and enable or disable by clicking here, as you can see, and you can see the impact. Impact means that how much it slows your PC when it boots up. So that's pretty much it. If you like this kind of content and you enjoy and want to see how you can speed up and install systems and all of that about computers, you can subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.